Hello and welcome to the next video on Xperiencify. Today we're going to go how to add video and a little bit of text to your training, how you get your content into the training. So we are going to go to, where was the one that I worked on yesterday? There we go, partnering with your boss. So we have partnering with your boss, and we made 2 training modules. So we went to, it says step 3, add course content, which makes total sense. And then we're going to go to the module and trainings. And there are the 2 modules that we have already created. So I'm going to go to module 1. And let's say I want to add a video to step 1. So I go into step 1, and then I have what I created. Now, as I said, that's my handsome son in London, and it's not going to match the training that I have. So usually I would put a thumbnail of the video or something very similar. So this is not going to match the video, but it is to show you how we do it. So basically I'm going to go down here. It says video, and I am going to do upload. Now I am going to upload the transcribing minutes because that is my shortest, quickest video. And it goes pretty fast. Let's see if I probably should pause it since I only have 5 minutes, but it is going somewhat fast. So we'll go to the bottom while that loads. When you want to add text underneath your video, let's say you wanted to describe something or add more information, you go to the box right below that and it says add training notes. And we're going to do, this is how you do step 1. We'll do 1 through 3, and we'll do, when you could do this, you could do 1, step 1, step 2, step 3. The video's loaded. That's perfect. And you could do you can make this, let's do this. We'll do this at heading 2. We'll bold that. Well, italics that, and hopefully when we do the preview, you'll see those. Oh, there we go. I just can't see the bold. Maybe my font, maybe it'll come bold later. Anyway, so that's how you add notes. You could do pages. You could do a half a page of notes. You could do a full page of notes down there. Now we're back to the video. We have the video, and it's there. This is the link. And then if we go there, we're gonna do. Let's do preview page and see how all this shows up. And let's see how many times my circle goes. 10's the normal. So we'll do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's taking a while. Oh, turned green. That's not bad. So there we have, as I said, my handsome son. And there you go. There, the bold, the step 2 is italics. I guess I didn't get the title, but you do see the formatting. And this is where, as I said, you could put all kinds of notes. You could do a page of instructions. So this is where it's not going to match because I uploaded a different video. So we hit there, and there goes the video. So I have my sound off right now, so you can't really hear it, but that is how you add the video to the training. See, go here. I got the headsets in, so you can't hear it. Anyway, so if you have any questions, it's super simple. Everything in Xperiencify is. Please leave your comments or questions below, and I will see you in the next video.